calling me in. Must be the first event of 100 people here in this part of Goa, officially. I've seen the video and I know what we are all here for. We as a government of the state of Goa, as you all know, have been trying our best to open for everything. SOPs made by the central government need to be adhered to, and it's nice to see and nice to hear that you have created your own SOPs so that you can go ahead in life as we all want to go ahead in life. Entertainment is something which we all have and we all want to do and be part of it. Unfortunately, we are going to complete 6 months, 22nd of March, and we are almost on 22nd of September. And looking at all of this and the video what you have seen, what we have presented here, it shows how all of us, including us as a government, how all of you in the industry, everybody is suffering. But as rightly pointed out, God has His own ways of bringing us together. And maybe this is one of the ways of putting things right, which maybe we were not right. So taking it positively ahead, assurance from my government in the state, anything what I can do or we can do, as the Honorable Chief Minister always says, and we have been always saying that we require this industry to grow. This industry is the backbone of our state, and our commitment to this industry in whatever way we can be, and with your support and blessings, we should go ahead in the rise earnest in the days to come. And if everything permits us, we have already started whatever way we could, and we hope that with your inputs and any more inputs to be put forward to the Honorable CM, to me, we can always put forward to the central government to find more means and more ways of finding easier and earlier solutions to these problems. Even though we cannot say here, none of us here can say the pandemic is supposed to go, or the pandemic, how long is going to stay. But keeping this in mind, life has to go on, life has to stay, and whatever life we have to enjoy. And I hope with these few words, once again.
Okay.
May I have your name, please?
Troy Patari.
Tell us about this event, and this is the start of what you are exactly doing.
Basically, this event is put together by Hima and Jiva together to showcase that the Goa and the entertainment fraternity is ready to accommodate events for up to 100 people.
Okay.
As per the MHA guidelines.
And government has also come up with a special SOP. Do you all have a special setup SOP for your events and all?
Keeping all the government SOPs in mind, we have created our SOPs as well, following the MHA guidelines.
Could you highlight what could be the rules as far as of your SOP is
There are
concerned?
too many of them actually to point out a few, but all of them need to fall into place for the event to happen.
Like-
So we have actually catalogued everything in a form of a video as to how the whole setup has been done right from the start, and we will continue to finish the video with the completion of the event as well.
Now, this event is basically called for your members to inform them what they have to follow and what are all.
Yes, it's to inform them as well, and also to inform, we have people from the hotel industry present as well. So to showcase to them as well that we can present events keeping the proper guidelines in mind.
If you go to see the last 6 months, right from the lockdown till now, it might have been a huge loss to you all, especially when you all have employees, everybody. How it has been?
It's been terrible for the whole industry actually. The whole entertainment fraternity has been hit very badly. We are hoping for it to turn around as early as possible. But there are people who have closed their shops down. There are people who are restarting it now from scratch. And hopefully we'll get back on the road in a short period of time.
Even when you talk about 100 people, cater to 100 people, do you still feel that the business would be as normal as the way it has been, or it will take some time, and how long it can take?
nobody can predict the time because until I think there's a vaccine out for the pandemic, for the virus, I don't think the business is going to come 100% back online. However, we are trying to showcase that we can do something for 100 people as of now. People need to be confident enough to come back to Goa and participate in events for the event industry to come back on track.
So your good name?
Hi, I am Vernon Furtado, Secretary of Jiva.
Okay. Manan, tell us what are the main highlights of your SOP which you all have come up with your own?
We are following government set SOPs, okay, but the highlight is that especially for this event, there has to be minimum distance of 6 feet maintained between any two people. Okay, then on round table setups inside, we are having, as per the size of the table, only 4 people sitting, where normally for a normal function we would have 6 to 8 people sitting. So that is there. Proper sanitization at every entry and exit point. Okay, and also social distancing consciously from the part of every member, like, you know, because it's difficult for us to get back to an event and not being in touch with people, like, you know, so psychologically your hand comes out, you want to shake and this thing. So we've come up with the Jiva greetings, Jiva evening, Jiva morning, Jiva night, and we don't want to be encouraging people to getting in touch with each other. Even at the console, proper sanitization equipment is being sanitized properly before it enters the hotel. People on the console are using gloves, masks, face shields, everything as per government SOP. So this event today is primarily to showcase to the entire industry that the Goa event industry and the event industry in India is ready to get back into action.
Is it that because it has been too long that you all are forced to start with at least 100?
No, it didn't start with 100, it started with 50.
Okay.
It started with 50, but today, being the 21st, as per government SOP, is the day that 100 people's events will start. So it's already a jump of 100% for people, from 50 to 100, and slowly, when things improve, I'm sure things, when the government feels right, it will come back into place. You know, it won't be an initial jump back to normal. It will take a little time, but from 50 to 100 is a good start for us.
In all over the world, we have seen business has been hampered everywhere.
Yeah.
But since, have you all been starting getting calls for the events to be hosted in Goa, or how it has been?
We've been getting calls, a lot of queries in fact. It looks very promising for Goa because foreign travel won't be happening with corporates and weddings from India. So Goa being the most popular destination in India, we are looking at getting a lot of queries, but it will be most probably somewhere 2021 onwards, like, you know. So still some more time for us to take it easy, but we are all set, we are all geared, and we are all ready for it.
Thank you.